I'm going to show some gym's equipment. This is the whole gym setups. This all fashions is going on in every hotels, either in India, either in Jeddah. You can see all equipments available here. We can see one by one. Just see here. This is the
walker.
This is the walker. Just you need to walk fast and slow, whatever you can set. Incline, speed, plus, minus, everything is there. You can see. Just here, up, down things, and you can monitor things here. You can start. You can pause. Pause button is also there. Start button is there. You see how it is working. Just see once it started how people are running on this. Let you take the speed like that. This is the other equipment, weightlifting. You can lift your weight in different direction. Just see, these are the dumbbells.
Weightlifting should be used with
and this is the equipment. You can sit and you can do different things with this.
You can set the weight here.
You can set weight and you can lift weight like this. It's very nice for exercising morning. This is the third equipment. I'm doing same thing in different way. Just see. Yes.
You can use two way.
You can use this two way. First is this. Second is this. And this is the another type of equipment available here. As you can see by leg, you can. This is the 2-inch lever, and weight is also here. Leg extension machine. This is called. This is called a leg extension machine.
This here you can set the weight. Then hold this.
Oh wow, nice. Good.
So if you have to put the weight.
This is the weight lifting. You have to put the weight here and put the weight there.
After this,
by sitting, you can lift the weight.
Put this and lock. Weightlifting without training is not doing. Is it
okay? Oh wow! By lift down and you just weight lift. It's very nice exercise you can do. You can increase the weight.
It should not move like this.
It's very. This is the another, and this is
good one.
also a good one. Equipments.
This is lock like this.
Just you put leg like this, and you lay down, and you go exercise. Oh, wow! This is another small equipment. We can use this also. How use is very important. How we use the equipments. It's very important for us.
Give full strength to hand.
Wow! This is the cycling equipment.
This is a different type of cycle. That is different type of cycling.
Wow! Anybody can use this size. Anybody can do. It's very simple and very effective exercise. Cycling.
This is all the distance.
And distance. Here you whatever go, it will increase the distance accordingly. So you can check daily. And this is another type of equipment. Walking. Oh. You can walk fast. You can go slow. Whatever way you want, you can do. And these are cycling available. Many people can cycle, run a cycle and see. This is the for kids. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.